How to buy EarnPark token. So this token came under the symbol of Park. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with this referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's in the pre-sale right now. So if you click on the official website, you'll be able to see this page. Now click on token sale. And as you can see, you'll be able to see this page. So you can now join the wait list to be able to participate for the first tier sale. So as you can see, register with your email for exclusive access to tier 1 sale. So enter your email and click on where or wait or join waitlist. So after you click on it, you will be able to notify you if the tier 1 sale is available. So this is how to buy Park token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.